This is the single most important maintenance task for your refrigerator, and almost nobody does it. Cleaning the condenser coils. Takes 10 minutes. Costs nothing. Can prevent a $300 repair. What do condenser coils do? They release heat from the refrigerant. They're like the radiator on your car. When they're covered in dust, pet hair, and kitchen grease, your fridge can't release heat efficiently. The compressor works harder, runs longer, uses more electricity, and eventually burns out. Where are they? On most fridges, they're at the bottom behind a removable kick plate. Some older models have them on the back. How to clean them? Unplug the fridge or turn it off. Remove the kick plate. It usually just snaps or unscrews. Use a vacuum with a brush attachment. Get all the dust and pet hair. For stubborn gunk, use a coil cleaning brush. It's a long, thin brush you can buy for $10. How often? Every 6 months. Every 3 months if you have pets. Pet hair is the #1 coil killer. What happens if you don't? The compressor overheats. Your fridge stops cooling. Emergency service call. Worst case, the compressor burns out completely. $400 to $700 repair. I've seen fridges fail at 8 years because the coils were never cleaned. Same model lasts 15 years with regular cleaning. It's that simple. Monthly maintenance plans include coil cleaning. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.